We did our little clam wrap with our string. We got a high-low rig, 8-0 circle hooks, riptide clams. It's windy as hell. You know, dumbasses out here anyway. Tape your finger. There we go. Cast and have a hold. Let's do it. I don't know if I'll be able to stick it. It's pretty rough out here. But the only way to find out is to try. Wind's blowing in our face. Let's see how far I can get this thing out. Yeah, I don't know. The current's ripping. Oh shit. Alright, okay. Yeah, I don't know about this today. Don't know about that whatsoever, man. Oh man, that's fucking brutal. Wow, look at that. Alright boys, different spot. Surf entirely too rough. I am bayside now. We're gonna cast this clam in this shallow bed here. This high tide. Maybe something will be cruising. Let's see. Alright boys, I'm gonna be throwing this ice cream in out in the meantime while we wait. I'll see you if and when we hooking this up. Stuff. No! I'm stuck again. No, 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 no. Alright, still on. Okay, it's just a dogfish. It's a spiny one. That's cool, I guess. It's a good sign that they're here. You just gotta watch with these because they got the spines. Just want to grab them right here, probably is the best. These guys move in when the water gets colder, so. Oh, look, and they got teeth. Alright, first fish of the day. It took long enough. It's a spiny dogfish. Pretty big one, too. I like the fact that, you know, finally caught a fish here. It's a sign of life, sign that there's fish. Maybe a striper. This guy's, it's gonna go back. He wants to go this way. There you go. Pretty good too. Mother load of seaweed. Hold on, there's a fish on. Didn't even feel his ass. Oh yeah, they definitely got teeth. We could eat this guy. It's another dog. Do I want to? No. He's gonna go back. Alright, this is it. We'll catch one more. We'll keep him. But for now, this guy's gonna go back there. There you go. I'll wake up. Alright boys, I'm a man of my word. One more spiny dogfish and we're gonna eat them up. It's been like 2 years since I tried. Last time I tried it was decent. It was just a pain in the ass because you gotta fillet them up on the spot, which, I mean, it is what it is, but we'll see. Or, you know, I don't have to do that and then a striper comes by, you know? Officially the last piece of bait here, and then I'm done. Stop. Came off. Stop. God damn it. Boys, that was definitely a tough one. I don't know, for the surf being totally unfishable the way it was, just to find any fish, I guess we'd consider that a decent day, but I don't know. It's getting old. It's getting old. I did go out to North Jersey about a week ago. Got a little 20-incher on a plug. Hey yo! Aside from that, that's really been it. But we'll keep plugging away at this. I'll be sure to let you guys know when we get on something decent, that is. All right. See you next time. Thank you for watching.